What's up, guys? Welcome to Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. On today's show, I'm going to go ahead and share with you for my son's 10th birthday. I gave him components for his birthday, and he had to build his own computer. Now, all I did was gave him a little bit of guidance, but for the most part, he literally built the entire thing himself. So I did go ahead and split this into multiple videos since it is quite a lengthy process, especially for the first time to build a PC being a 10-year-old, and I hope that you enjoy it. Real quick, guys, before we get started, go ahead and click that like button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and click the little bell so you get a notification every time that I release a new video. Thanks. All right, so next you can go ahead and close that window.
Oh, it's closer?
Yep. And then go ahead and right click on the background. And then you see how it says personalize at the bottom?
Yes, I really needed this.
And then now you can choose how you want it to look. You can click on different things and preview it and select what you like.
A rock, because I'm living under a rock.
You're living under a rock? We should rent out your room if you're living under a rock.
How do I get rid of that bottom thing and like make it black or like gray? How my computer is.
Well, you can go through all the different various settings. See on the left hand side there, there's colors. See, and then you can choose your color. See where it says light. If you click that drop down where it says light, try dark. See how now it's dark?
Except I don't like it to like, if I say I open this, will it be black? No. Look, they're all blacks. I remember. So can we start like installing stuff, or we've still got stuff to do?
Well, now we need to do a couple things here. So hold down the Windows key and press the letter R for run. Okay, now that brings up this little dialog box to run stuff. I want you to type in msconfig.
Capitalize?
It's all lowercase. It's
MS.
Windows, it's not case sensitive. For command. Let's see if I spelled it right. msconfig, there we go. Go ahead and hit enter or click OK.
Okay.
So this digs into system boot settings and stuff. So go ahead and click on boot. Now there's a box on the lower right that says make all boot settings permanent. Check that box. Click on advanced options.
What?
Advanced options on the left. Alright, so where it says number of processors, click that box. Click that drop down and select the highest number. Because the default, all computers have one processor to boot with. Now it'll boot with 4. Go ahead and click OK. Okay, and then go under Startup. Click on Open Task Manager. And this is the stuff that's in Startup. We don't really have much in here except for we can turn off OneDrive. So click on OneDrive. We'll see if we can disable it. It's Windows Home, so I'm not sure if they let you disable that. Click that.
This?
No. OneDrive. There we go, Microsoft OneDrive. Now click the disable button.
What's that? Oh.
There we go. Now it's disabled. I'm not sure if it'll keep that setting. But see how it says startup impact is high? So it means that it takes a high amount of time for that to get started. Green shot we like, because that'll help you take screenshots easier, and that'll work good for your school. Go ahead and click the X on the top right of that box to close it, that window. There you go. Go ahead and click on apply. And OK. And then you can do exit without restart. That's fine. Now we also want to go ahead and make sure that you have all the Windows updates installed. So click on the start button.
What start button?
on the lower left-hand corner, it looks like the Windows logo. And then click on the gear. There's a gear on the bottom left. Move directly to the left. There you go. Click on Updates and Security. It's the middle column, very bottom. Okay, and there's a button that says Check for Updates. Now we hurry up and wait. So here we're going to go ahead and install Steam, and when we do the install, because again we have two hard drives in the system, a C drive and a D drive, we're going to go ahead and install this to the D drive, as many of the games take up a lot of space. So I just changed the destination folder here from C to D for the drive letter, and then we go ahead and click install, and then hit finish. So what are you doing? Pulling off the plastic on the side of your case.
Now we'll just put this part.
All right. You gotta start with that side here. There we go. Is that good? Oh, here you go. Where did the other ones go that you put in? You can use the screwdriver if it makes it easier. Just don't make it too tight where you can't unscrew it.
Yes. Oh yeah. Now there's some fingerprints.